Hi guys, so this is Tracy and now we are going on a tour. We're going to see some fish. Oh my god, I like my eyebrows. Hi, this is Tracy and this is my family. Now we're going to see some fish.
Outfit mo sa akin.
Yeah.
Pero ikaw naman nagbili nito. Tama.
Kate, how do you, kabila this? How do you kabila this?
Hindi naman ito ang
Say hi. No.
Morning eyes, I could stare like watching stars. I could walk you by an hotel without a thought. You'd be mine, would you mind if I took your hand tonight?
Lahat na nakaabot ko na yan. Pasenda ko yan. Yung mga nauna, hindi yan akin. Kalapak. Nanawalan ko ang pangalagay ko ng kalapak. Kalapak, ikaw karabaw. Ako tayo karabaw. Dato. Oo. Ang kalapak, ikay ang karabaw. Gusto mo ito maraming tayo na karabaw natin? At parat ka rin.
Heart with your air, so let me fly with you. Will you be forever with me?
So we can have a tour.
My love will always stay by you. I'll keep it safe, so don't you worry a thing. I'll tell you I love you more. It's stuck with you forever, so promise you won't let it go. I'll trust the universe will always bring me to you. I imagine we fell in love on that wonder moonlight skies with you. I think I'll picture us, you with the waves, the ocean's colors on your face. I'll leave my heart with your air, so let me fly with you. Will you be forever with me?
Talaga yung hindi mind. Blue?
Troy, kukuku.
Kami brown. Sa'yo mag-good. Sabi ko kasi engineer Abin, baka pwede kang mag-ano. Baka pwede kang... Mamunay ko langot ka, mama. Huwag mo tanggalin dito. Wala ko na kang tanggal. Yan, pasag. Huwag kang mag-dito. Patay doon na. Ako sa akin, diba? Aray!
Morning eyes, I could stare
May pinikmata ka na ba?
watching stars. I could walk you by.
Ay, grabe naman.
Without a thought, you'd be mine. Would you mind if I took your hand tonight? No, you're all that I want.
Gusto!
Imagine we fell in love on the wonder moonlight skies with you. I think I'll picture us with the waves. ocean's skies
Ay,